Talking about the importance of motivation. In the management literature, motivation is one of the most used yet least understood words that has been the subject matter of study and research. Motivation has been an issue with organizations, leaders, and individuals. We all believe that motivation is the very essence of behavior, and in psychology it is called as the why of behavior. Without motivation there cannot be any human or animal action. However, the question as to what motivates has still eluded us, given the nature of individual differences, the nature of environments in which people work, the cultural and societal moorings from which the people come, and the organizational reward systems which attract individuals and make them perform. Understanding the nature of motivation is difficult, and one of the most widely used theories to explain the concept of motivation is the one given by famous psychologist Abraham Maslow, who tried to classify motivation into 5 different categories of needs. According to Maslow, the human needs can be classified into 5 different categories. The first and the most basic one is the physiological need, which is the need related to survival. Physiological needs include hunger, thirst, sleep, air, and other physiological needs that make people crave for certain things without which they cannot survive. After this, the second need is that of security. Security needs are needs related to safety, shelter, and housing. Once these security needs are fulfilled, people have the social needs arising in them. Social needs is basically about the human gregariousness and affiliation needs. After the social needs, the need for achievement arises, which of course is the need that makes people perform various things in organization. In fact, it is this need from where the organizational behavior scientists and researchers need to understand human behavior. The achievement needs are variously called as ego needs, esteem needs, and prestige needs. Once the achievement needs are fulfilled, the need for self-actualization arises. This need is one of the most difficult needs to fulfill, and understanding these needs has never been easy. Most psychologists believe that it is the need to be what one purports to be. However, the important thing to understand in Maslow's theory is that Maslow has suggested that all needs do not arise in one go. Rather, they appear in hierarchy, starting from the most basic ones at the physiological level to the most sophisticated one at the self-actualization level. For a normal individual, the physiological needs, the social needs, security needs, and the achievement needs, they consume an entire lifetime, and he does not come out of the achievement, come above the achievement needs, and as a result, he never craves for self-actualization needs. However, there are certain individuals, people like Mahatma Gandhi and Sachin Tendulkar, or those people who have made it big in their life, and for them achievement has been a need that only comes with fulfillment of what they purported to be. The motivational theories have one very important contribution to the field of management, that is they give an insight into the human need pattern and help managers understand why humans work. In fact, interestingly, the first basic theory about human nature was based on motivation. The first scientific research on management carried out by F.W. Taylor also talked about motivation in the sense that he wanted people to produce more, and he also gave a reason why people will produce more, and that is how he defined human urge as the need for more rewards. So his basic assumption was that man is an economic rational being. Right from those days to the modern day, managers still wonder what makes people work. So the question has remained the same, but the answers have changed. Today there are many options available for the people to be motivated, and interestingly what is happening is that needs have been converted into wants by the marketers and other want makers, and it is this change that is complicating the whole issue as people change preferences and tastes. Nevertheless, the basic issue remains that management of any organization needs to understand what motivates its human component and try and fulfill those needs so that the management can get people work.